Hello. Welcome back to Shay's channel. This time we will talk about the procedure of completing cheat engine tutorial. Before we get started, please do not forget to click the subscribe button on our channel. Okay, I've previously uploaded some videos on how to cheat playing the game Plants vs Zombies. But, this time we will teach how to use cheat engine and how to finish cheat engine tutorial. Okay, in the cheat engine, click Help and click Cheat Engine Tutorial. In Cheat Engine Tutorial, there are 9 basic levels that must be mastered to facilitate us while learning to cheat on every game we want. Please follow the steps below. In Level 2, we are prompted to set some components such as scan type to exact value and value type to 2 or 4 bytes. Put the value of life in the scan box. Now, we are instructed to do the first scan. Please click First Scan. Interest. We find many addresses that may be live in this tutorial, but we only need one address. Let's see the next command. We are instructed to click the Hit Me button. Let's do it. Now, the value of life in this tutorial has changed. Let's see what steps we should take. We are instructed to enter the current life value into the scan box, then click Next Scan. Congratulations, the address we are looking for has been found. Please double-click it to move to the cheat engine table. Back to the description and note the next command. We are told to change the value of life to 1000. Congratulations, the next button in the tutorial is already working. This means we have completed step 2. Okay, we go to level 3. In this step, we do not know the value of life we want to find. So, how to find it? Let's look at the description of the tutorial and follow the requested commands. In level 3, we are prompted to set some components such as scan type to unknown initial value and click First Scan. Now, we are instructed to reduce the value of life in this tutorial by clicking the Hit Me button. Please remember the value. The figure means that the current life value has decreased by 5 units. Go back to the cheat engine and change the scan type to decreased value by, then enter the amount of the decreased value that occurs and click Next Scan. Go back to the description and note the value constraints provided. The value limit given is 0 to 500. Go back to the cheat engine and look for addresses that have values between 0 and 500. Please double-click the address. From the description we are instructed to change the address value to 5000, and note that the next button is in the tutorial will be inactive automatically. Okay, we've reached level 4. This level is fairly easy level. Let's look at the description. In the description we are only in the command to scan 2 values of different types, float and double. Please enter the value in the description and change the value type to float and followed by the value type to double. Please follow the steps. Now, we find 2 new addresses. Go back to the description and see the next clue. In the description, we are instructed to change the value of both addresses. Change to 5000 for the next button to work. Let's see what happens after the address value is changed to 5000. And finally the next button is active again. Congratulations on your success. Hope this video will help you all in learning to use cheat engine application. See you again in the next video. We will always work for you. Good luck and please do not forget to click the subscribe button in our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.